Okay guys, this is going to be a hopefully a short video. I'm just going to show you, this is a winter hiking ultralight gear list. We're going this weekend, leaving tomorrow just for 2 nights. I think we get like 45 miles or something like that, but it's going to be down in the 20s, so I'm going to just kind of show you what I'll bring. And it's base weight's probably around 8 pounds, maybe a little less, 7 to 8 pounds rather. Okay, so right here is the Outdoor Research Helium 2. It says it's like water resistant. It's pretty good, but I have a ZPACKS Challenger raincoat coming. It's just not in yet. I think it'll be in next week. Also have a Ghost Whisperer with the hood. I'm not sure what the weight is. I think it's 5.5 ounces. It's an awesome jacket though. Then I carry a ZPACKS DUPLEX tent. And I swapped the stakes. I had like the little titanium stakes. So I swapped them out with a. They just started carrying I think they're like carbon fiber. Look like they're pretty hardcore stakes, but they're a little bit lighter, so I swapped out for those. An extra pair of socks. I hike in one. Bring an extra pair. These are just SMARTWOOLs. That's a stuff sack for clothes and whatnot. These are my trekking poles. They're Gossamer Gear LT4s. They're crazy lightweight. I broke the basket on that one last trip, but anyway, they're great hiking, trekking poles, whatever. They're really good. Start up here. Backpack. I have a ZPACK 52 liter Arc Blast. This awesome backpack. I've had it for over a year now. It does great. This is my food bag. It's already packed with food, but it's just a ZPACKS bear bag. It's got the line in it and all that good stuff. Okay, for the cook set for this time, I usually do SBIT, but when it's really cold, just in case I need to cook in my vestibule, I don't like to do that with an SBIT, so I'm bringing a Snow Peak. I can't remember what that is, but it's like 2 ounces. The mini Bic in a stuff sack, Cuban fiber. There's fuel for this, and all of this fits inside that EVERNEW titanium. That's a 0.9 liter pot mug, and it all fits. Everything fits into that ZPACKS stuff sack right there. I just bought this. I'm gonna try this time. This is a anti-gravity gear. All it is like a Ziploc twist lock container, and they just puts this insulation all around it and stuff, which we'll try it out. I'll do a review and all that stuff. I think I'm gonna bring this GSI. It's the lightest spoon I have. I have a titanium spoon, like a little bit longer handle. I like this spoon. It's fine, but it gets food and stuff in here, so it kind of creeps me out, so I always have to wash it out. This right here is a windscreen that I've made for my SBIT, and it also fits this one pretty decently. I need to make a little bit wider one. I'd like to make a wider one that fits all the way, you know, from the depth of that cup right there. But anyway, I'll make that one on a video at a later date too. This weighs like less than an ounce. It's pretty crazy, and it's really sturdy too. So there I have like my medicine, contacts, TP. It's kind of like my med bag. I carry this little knife. It's a PECK, PECK. Can't find it there, but it's underneath there. PECK, but it's C.R.K.T. It's like crazy ultralight. I don't do a lot of whittling or anything crazy like that while I'm on the trail. These are, I think they're Mountain Harbor Stimulus or something like that. They're pretty good. I might swap those out eventually. I've had those for about 2 years now. They've held up pretty decently. I use a PETZYL E-Light for my headlamp most of the time if I know I'm not doing crazy a lot of night hiking. If I do know I'm doing a lot of night hiking or anything like that, this works okay. I mean, it can get you by. I've done probably 5 miles at night with that before, and it did fine. So this, if I don't use that, I have a black diamond. I think it's called a spot or something like that. It's like 3.5 ounces, I think. But this right here is like under 1 ounce. I think it's 0.91 ounces. It's pretty light. I use a SAWYER Mini. It's cool. I'm trying to, I mean, it's so super light. I'm trying to think of other ways to save weight. I want to say it's like 2 ounces brand new, and then once you use it, you'll have like water and stuff in it. But this is probably around 3 ounces if I had to guess right now if I weighed it. Um, I use the 64-liter bags, are just easier. Takes so long to use this. I mean, you're sitting there forever. That's the only thing I don't like about that Sawyer Mini. But I use this if I have to scoop out of the stream. I usually have one dirty bag, two cleans. The way I usually do it. This is a LIGHTLOAD towel. I just bought this from ZPACKS. It comes like in a little hockey puck deal, and you open it up. It's all wrapped up. I've not used this yet. I'll use it on this trip. But I had a pack towel, Ultralight, and it never did clean right. It was like just rubbed the dirt around, like from my Esbit residue and stuff. So this is kind of more porous, so hopefully it'll work out good. Like electronics, video camera, I just got this. I'm gonna start, doing a lot of video from trail hiking and different gear reviews and stuff like that. Extra batteries. This is a MOBILEMUNKY. It's 10,400 milliamp hours. So it'll charge your iPhone 6 or my iPhone 6 like 4.5 times, maybe 5. There's an iPhone charger. I use a Garmin Fenix 3. It's the best watch I've used. I hadn't had any really issues with it. I had a Fenix 2 before before this one. And it was good too, but I had to have the 3 when it came out. That's the charger that goes with it, unclipped. Okay, so down to my sleep system. I have a ZPACKS 20 I'm going to take on this trip. I also have their 40, but this is just a 5'9" wide, and it's very comfortable, very warm. I do get I sleep a little colder, so I usually have Under Armour pants on, like compression pants, and they weigh 6.6 ounces, so I want to save a little bit. So I bought these pants. Well, I'm going to do a gear review on these as soon as I get back, see how they work. This is Bora Gear. They're a little shop, like a cottage shop, and they awesome customer service, can't beat that. But they were like 5.5 when I weighed them. I got them in yesterday, so we'll see how that does. And with that, with the 20, the temperatures this weekend should be around 20 degrees. So I'll be putting my bag to its limit, and this should keep me pretty warm. I do have a ZPACKS BALACLAVA that I use because the ZPACKS bags don't have the hood like a traditional mummy bag. So I'll usually wear no shirt, but I'll wear my Ghost Whisper, and then I'll zip this up in my Ghost Whisper. Zip the collar up close to it. I know my Ghost Whisper has a hood on it, but this is so warm. This is down. It's super warm, super light. I think this is called a BIGSKY pillow. I noticed that I tried to go no pillow for a while. It just wasn't reasonable for me. This is a couple ounces. I think it's like 3 ounces, which is kind of heavy for a pillow. But it blows up, and I can sleep on my side because my shoulders are a little bit wider. And with like a normal pillow, I tried some other pillows, my head was still kind of cocked to the side, so it was pretty uncomfortable the next morning. I had a crick in my neck. Anyway, all this gear stuffs down into that. I think that's a medium stuff sack from ZPACKS. I use a pack liner inside of this is waterproof bag, but I still use this just in case. This is ZPACKS pack liner, and then I use a NEOAIR XLITE for my sleep pad. That's just a regular size, nothing crazy about it. And that's my whole gear list, guys, and hopefully you'll see a lot more videos from me. And like I said, I will break down each piece of this gear, and I'll do a gear review on it, how it worked, what I like, what I didn't like. So check back for more, man. Thanks.